Welcome back to our piano tutorial. Today we're learning a quick and fun Stevie Wonder song called Higher Ground. Like I mentioned just now, it's quick and easy. It's fun. It's a super, honestly, it's one of the most fun songs to play, but it's also not that difficult to play. And if you already know the song, you're probably clicked on the video to watch it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're gonna go over 3 parts in this song. You're gonna get the intro, you're gonna get the verse, you're gonna get the chorus. I will timestamp those in the bottom so you can click on where to go. If you're kind of figuring out where, like if you're stuck in any part, you can always click on those timestamps and it'll send you right to the place you want to be. So you have 3 parts, like I said, the intro, the verse, and the chorus. Right now we're gonna work on the intro because the intro is it's almost the exact same thing as the verse. The verse kind of goes off a little bit, but you're pretty much playing the exact same 3 chords throughout most of it. Let's get right into it. We are in the key of E flat minor, right? We're actually going to be in E flat minor for most of this tune. We're going to be playing a lot of the E flat minor pentatonic scale throughout. Right? So in the intro is 12 bars long, and you're looping 3 chords plus a little lick that he has in the song. I'm going to play the chords for you now very slowly. That's it. That's the entire chorus for those 12 bars. You're looping 3 chords and a little lick. We'll get right into that right now. The first chord you're going to have is an E flat minor chord. I put the 7th in there, so it's an E flat minor 7 for me, right? 1, 2, 3. On beat 3, you're playing this G flat major chord. And beat 4, you're playing an A flat major. I do an A flat 7 chord, which is just A flat, E flat, G flat. I had the B flat in there, but it doesn't, whatever. C and E flat. Gives us some little spice, a little bit more color and character to that chord. But that's pretty much the entire intro. You're playing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Right? And that little lick there is D flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, E flat. Right? Then back on the 1, you play that E flat minor again. I'm gonna play it super slow. I'm gonna play all 12 measures of it. Why not? Just so we can get into the verse. Because the verse, like I said before, is pretty much the exact same thing. Now for the rhythm of this song, you're pretty much keeping the exact same rhythm throughout, so we're just going to do it right now. I do beat 1 and beat 2 in my left hand, 1 triplet, and you're kind of feeling the swing pattern. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, right? 4, you're going to hold it. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4. Now if you can get that, you got about 80% of the song right there. So you got to repeat that over and over again. By all means, go ahead, because that's going to be, like I said, the majority of this song. I'm going to play a little bit slow, all 12 measures of that intro with the lick to get into the verse. All right? Let's do it. Let's do it. Drums. Verse. Right, and verse starts there. So there's 12 measures of that lick and that rhythm, and we go into the verse. And the verse is going to happen right now. Now, the first 8 measures of the verse is the exact same thing that you played. You don't have to do the lick, especially if you're singing it, because it's kind of difficult to do. You can just do... Right, so... Did I keep on sing, so that's why it's kind of a little bit odd right now, but the exact same rhythm as you played before for those first 8 measures of the verse. Now, measure 9 of that verse, we have this thing here for 4 bars. Right? So it's a little bit different, but what you're doing is taking E flat, G flat, and A flat, and moving it up a whole step. So you're going 1, so you're going up to F. You're going from E flat to F. F major is going to be your first chord to play in the measure 9 of that. Same rhythm, by the way. To his A flat chord, which you already know about. To B flat major, B flat, D, F sharp. That's for the first 2 measures. So that's for the, actually, the first measure of measure 9. So, a little bit different, but the same kind of rhythm, so you should be fine. And we're going to go back to the F for measure 10. Right, so we have measure 10 starts with F again. You can call it F sharp major, you can call it G flat major. It doesn't really matter. You're playing the same chord, same notes anyway. So you have G flat. Let's say G flat major because we're in E flat minor, I guess. You have G flat, B flat, D flat, G flat. You're going up chromatically to G major, which is G's, B, D, G. And then to an A flat major chord. So we have A flat major, which we already know about, for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this chord is a D flat 9. So we have D flats in my left hand with F, A flat, B natural, or C flat if you want to be that kind of person, and E flat. 4 beats, and then back into right four bars of that. So I'm gonna play the verse for you, slower than what I've been playing it, so we can play along together. Hopefully, I don't go too fast. If I do, you can slow the video down or tell me to slow down in the comments, whatever you got to do. But let's start from the verse. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. E flat, G flat, A flat, E flat, G flat, A flat. Repeat that. E flat, G flat, A flat. We're gonna switch. F, A flat, B flat, F, F sharp, G, A flat, D flat 9. And then back to the right. That's the whole verse. So you have 8 measures of that, and then 4 bars of and then 4 measures of the E flat. Right. And that verse repeats, again, the exact same thing. So we're not going to go over it. We have verse 1, verse 2, and now we're going to get into the chorus part. Chorus starts on its A flat. Dun, 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 If I knew the words, I'd be able to sing it, but I don't, so you're going to listen to me, like, sim talk. But, alright, chorus. Super easy, as you can tell. You're just holding down these chords. You have A flat, dun, dun, 1, 2, 3, 4, E flat minor, 3, 4. And you repeat that again. Dun, 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 dun. And then you repeat that again. The same thing. So repeating the A flat to E flat minor 3 times. Dun, 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 one time. Da, na, 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 na. And you're gonna go up a whole step to F7, which is, I'm doing F and C in my left hand with F, A, C, E flat for 1 bar or for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This beauty of a chord. Actually, it's actually this, which is very, very weird. What am I playing right here? It's a B flat 7 sharp 5. Now, sharp 5 just means this F. It's going to go to this F sharp or G flat if you want to be that kind of person. I don't know. It depends on where you think it's going, right? But I'm also having an F in my left hand, even though it's not what it's supposed to be. It's dissonant enough. So I have B flat, F, A flat, B natural, D, and F sharp. So it's not really a B flat 7 sharp 5. It's more of a B flat sharp 9 sharp 5 natural 5. The whole point is, if you do, basically you're just moving the F sharp up to the F at the very basic structure of this chord. You're going, right? So, but if you want to be fancy with it, I'm doing till I reach the highest ground. Right? That's the whole song. That's the whole chorus. It's super simple. Well, the rest of the chorus goes like, right? And then you go back into the verse and you repeat that over and over again. And you can find that in the, well, you can find it in the timestamps. Thank you all for watching the video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more of this content. I haven't done one of these videos in, oh God knows how long, maybe like 3 or 4 years. But you know what? I miss doing the piano tutorials. I miss doing the video stuff. If you like what you want to see, leave a like and leave a comment about what you want to see next. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.